Step 1. Vehicle off and cool. Use penetrating lubricant on stock exhaust clamps and hangers. Step 2. Loosen and remove factory clamps and remove hangers from factory rubber isolators. Remove the grounding strap attached to the factory muffler and keep for later. Step 3. Remove factory exhaust system. Disconnecting the rear track bar can help provide clearance. Step 4. Slide the 3-inch clamp onto the inlet of the PPE muffler. Then install it onto the extension pipe. Secure it to the factory hanger bracket and reinstall the grounding strap. Step 5. Slide 2.5-inch clamps onto the outlets of the PPE muffler. Then, install the driver's side outlet pipe. Step 6. Install the passenger side outlet pipe. Secure both outlet pipes to the factory hanger brackets. Step 7. Install the second driver's side pipe with a 2.5-inch clamp. Secure it to the factory hanger location with the included PPE silicone isolator. Step 8. Install either the rear exit pipes or the 80-degree exit pipes and secure them with 2.5-inch clamps. Then, install the 4-inch exhaust tips. Step 9. Adjust the fitment of the exhaust system as needed. Then tighten all clamps, working from the front to the back of the vehicle. Step 10. Reinstall the rear track bar if disconnected during disassembly. A ratchet strap can be used to help pull the rear axle back into place. Installation complete.